me your biggest secret.
I'm cheating on my boyfriend.
I'm confused how he doesn't know.
Because I have a separate account.
But why not just break up with your boyfriend?
Stop. Stop. Go. Please stop.
I hate you.
I know. Please,
you confirmed me.
please stop. Stop it.
You said you liked your
Stop.
person.
No, Stephanie.
You told me
Stop.
that.
Stop, please. Go.
Been married for 3 months. I just got married to you. I took my vows for you.
So we're just going to be using Cheater Buster AI, and it's basically going to use AI to tell us if she's on any.
Okay.
I'm going to put info about you, though. It's like, what's your name?
Wait, but like, why am I giving you my name right now? Like,
Bro,
I
why
don't
is it
know
such a
you.
problem? Just give me your name.
You want me to give a random guy on the street my name?
Yeah, because what's he gonna do?
What the f?
Well, you can give it to me if you want, like, her name.
Michaela.
What the
Michaela? And how old is she?
Yeah, she's 21.
Where's she from?
We're from Jacksonville.
And I just got to get a picture of you, Michaela, just so that AI can detect. Wait, actually, hold up. The results just came back, and the facial recognition scanned through the dating apps. This just came up. This is her Hinge account.
Are you serious?
That's not even
no, like,
me.
are you serious?
No, that's not me.
No, like, are you're f***ing joking me,
That's
right?
not me.
No,
That's
like,
not even
you must think
real.
you must think I'm stupid.
You're not.
This is also her Tinder profile, too. It says she was active on here a month ago.
You're joking.
No, that's not me.
We've been
That's
married
not
for
me.
3 months. I just got married to you. I took my vows for you on everything. Like we put our hands on the Bible and got married. Like what? Like in a church. My whole family was there. You know, like you completely disrespected me.
She cheated on her boyfriend with his own boy, then showed up at his door like loyalty has a price, like betrayal is negotiable. Let's watch his response.
Why are you here? What you here for? And you got my son.
Huh?
What are you here for? And son's not here. You got him. Where's my son?
Oh, don't worry about that. I just came here to give you a gift.
What? Gift?
You ready?
Let me see the fucking gift. It's for my son? What the fuck is that?
It's for you because, listen, this gift is in honor for us to get that together, okay?
Oh, okay. Listen, let me tell you
It's
something.
worth it. It's worth it, baby. It's worth it. Just know I spent $60,000 on this, so you better be back with me.
You don't have. First of all, you don't have $60,000.
Baby, I do.
And listen.
And I promise you, the way I got it.
Just because you
it don't
spent
matter the way I got
$60,000.
It don't matter because
Let
look
me
what
talk.
it is.
All right, listen. Let me talk. No funny shit. Listen. Just because you spent $60,000 is not taking back you cheating on me with my homeboy. All right.
First off, it's $60,000. Watch right here. Is you gonna let me in or not? It's hot.
You're not even getting the point. Listen.
Wait, what you said?
Listen to me. If you listen, you will hear. Your watch, whatever you just got, what is that, a Rolex? I see the logo.
Okay.
That watch is not gonna get me back because you cheated on me with my homeboy. All right? You cheated, period.
Listen,
all right?
listen. It's 2025. Who still cares about females fucking with
Right,
his homeboy?
right. So listen, I'm about to close my door.
Listen, you're about to take this watch and you're about to accept me for me. Yes, I might fuck your homeboys again. I don't care. Listen, what are you doing? Relax.
Let's be realistic here.
It's $60,000.
All right, let's be realistic.
You're gonna not want this over because I fucked your homeboys, and I'm probably gonna do it again. But I just want to be with you. It's okay.
How do you sound right now? How do you sound
Look,
right now?
it don't matter. This is a Rolex, baby. A
Good.
Rolex.
Listen.
$60,000. So why?
And you know I got my own money. I could buy my own watch.
I bought it for you. You ain't gotta worry about it. Here.
Well, listen,
So you don't want the gift?
I'm respectfully declining.
You don't want the gift. Let me know you don't want the gift. So you want me to give it to your homeboy?
I give it to whoever you want.
No, I want to give it to you because I want to be with you again.
Listen, you lucky I'm even wasting my time having a conversation with you right now. Watch out. You're not doing that. You're not doing that.
Get your
Listen,
ride.
if I have to slam my door in your face.
Don't be. What is you? That's rude as fuck. Don't be doing that.
So you fucking my homeboy wasn't rude.
I don't care. We wasn't together.
Notice something, guys. She thought her $60,000 Rolex could buy back his trust. That's the world we're living in right now, where disrespect comes wrapped in luxury and men are expected to be grateful for it. But the real flex, self-control, standards, the ability to walk away quietly, that's power.
That's my sister. See, this is why I want to do this.
All right, bro. All right. Recently deleted. Look, recently deleted.
Yeah, he said.
I like it. All right, recently deleted. Go to. Hold on. Oh, he said recently.
No, bro, no. Bro, I swear to God.
Come on, where you going?
That's crazy, bro. Nah. Bro, that is, bro.
Yeah.
Swear to God, bro, that's crazy. That's not gang. Look.
Red flag.
Bro, hold him up, bro. Swear to God, that's crazy. That's your wife. That's your wife walking off.
You know, he's laughing because he's cooked. He's laughing because his wife does not respect him. He's embarrassed. You know, I don't blame him. There's men out here dealing with these situations, you know, sitting in them toxic situations because they think they have to. You know, they're afraid of being alone. You know, the Bible, that's the one thing that gives us permission to leave, you know, is when they're cheating on you. When they're out there sleeping with other people behind your back, man. You know, I personally could never do it myself. I couldn't sit where I'm disrespected like that. God has a plan for us, man. I've talked about this many times on this channel, and he's not going to give you peace in a situation that you're not supposed to be in, homie. You know, take that pain and bring it to the gym. Take that pain, build your relationship with the Lord, man, because I'm telling you, it's a blessing. When you find out your woman, your girlfriend, whatever, man, is not for you, it's God telling you she is not for you. And as much as the pain hurts now, man, God has something so much better for you. I believe that. I have faith in that, right? Our pain sharpens us, and we're going to come out on the other side even stronger, even better due to the grace of God. Don't sit there and disrespect. Don't sit there and tolerate it, man. Gym, grind, and God.
So, in general, what do you think a woman's duty in a relationship is?
A partnership.
Partnership, like it's equal?
It's a partnership. Yeah, considerably. Like he's my rib.
Like, are you Christian or what do you mean?
I am. I'm Christian.
Oh, you Christian. So, you know, even when we look in biblical scriptures, there's a clear distinction of a hierarchy in a relationship, meaning that the man is the head. The woman submits to the man as to the Lord. The same way she submits to the Lord, she submits to her man. So therefore, if the woman is submitting to the man just like she's submitting to God, there isn't any equalness, right? Because it doesn't say for the man to submit to the wife like he submits to the Lord. No, it says for the man, love your wife as Christ loves the church. Now, is Christ subordinate to the church? Christ isn't subordinate to the church, so the man isn't subordinate to the woman. But the church is subordinate to Christ, which means that the wife should be subordinate to the man. That's the clear distinction. A relationship between men and women aren't equal. You ladies don't want it to be equal. You all want a man that's taller, stronger, preferably makes more money, if not the same. You want a man that's doing better than you. If you met a man that was your height, made your same amount of income, had your same type of jokes, you'll be like, oh, yeah, nigga, you kind of just like me, your girl. So you don't want no dude that's on your level. You want a dude that's doing better than you.
Hi, I'm sorry. I just ended up popping because I just thought you were going to pop my balloon. Maybe that's like too premature, but other than that, I feel like you look like you might be fit with someone that's more business forefront, if that makes sense, because I am a business woman, but I'm very playful as well. I'm very creative, very adventurous. So you seem like someone that's kind of by the book a little bit. And I could be prejudging, but I just want you to find your match to the fullest. You look great, so I believe you can find your match here, and I just don't think it's me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, is she someone that's your type?
Yeah, I actually did not. I liked your answer.
Give my balloon back. Hold on. Bring that back. Hold on.
Oh, wow.
Let's get that balloon back.
I'll bring it back, though. Bring it back. I want to hear more. So.
There you go.
Modern female could be like that. Too quick to jump into conclusion and very soon regretting it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.